Hi there, we are going to use the Elite Gourmet bread machine, and I'm going to be making 100% whole wheat dough. And I think I'm gonna make bread, maybe I'll make rolls, but I'm not sure. We'll have to wait and see. Like I said, you never know what's on my videos. So I'm gonna tell you the ingredients. The sugar is 2 tablespoons, the oil is 2 tablespoons, the salt's 1.5 teaspoons, the water is 380 milligrams. I think I have that figured out in cups. Whole wheat flour is 1 pound, 5 ounces. I have that on the scale. And the instant yeast is 1.5 teaspoons. So let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients and as I pour them in. Here are the ingredients right here, and this is the scale. I love this scale. 1 pound, 5 ounces of flour, that's what it called for. And all the other ingredients are right here. I figured out the water to be about 1 2/3. I have to be careful here. Hopefully I got that right, but we are now going to put this into the machine and let's see what's gonna happen. Wish me luck. Okay, here we go. It says the first thing you want to put in is the sugar. Sugar. Right here going in. The next thing you want to put in is oil. Here we go. Right here. And then we're going to put the salt in. And I like using pink Himalayan, but you can use whatever you like. I just like pink Himalayan. And the water says 380 milligrams. I hope I do this right because I've never worked with milligrams, but I'm going according to the measuring cup. And it measures out to be about 1 2/3. I have to grab it with my other hand here. Hey, the good news is I got my sling off today. Woohoo! How about that? But I have to wear it for like 2 hours and off 2 hours and then gradually come off it. So I'm all happy. Whole wheat flour, 1 pound, 5 ounces. Now, see if I can do this. I've got my bad hand up here. I'm not supposed to use it or lift it above my shoulder. Got a little bit on the side, but it's a little hard for me. If my arm worked right, I'd be all good. But that's okay. Give me a few more days. I'll be working like a pro. Just like that. There. See if I can just push this over. Make sure you got clean hands. I always have clean hands before I start out baking. And then you want to put your yeast in. And I'm just moving a small spot over to the side. I'm going to move you up closer so you can see the inside. I didn't make it quite in the middle of the well. I wanted to go off to the side a little because that's what it says. Just like this. There. Just gonna cover it just a little dab will do you. Okay, I'm scared, folks. I have no idea what we're in for. So it says I've got to be on program 19. Close the cover. Bring you over here. Here's the menu. It says 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait, that says pounds. Let's see what it says on 19. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. It says 19. 30 minutes. Oh, that doesn't sound right. Let's see. Whole wheat dough. Oh, it says 11. Up here it says 11 and the book says 19. How do I minus this down? Minus. Whoops. That's a timer. How do I change this? Well, all else fails, we'll unplug it. There. There. I have no idea. This is my first time. Menu, we want to go to 11. We're going to whole meal dough. Oh wait, it says whole wheat, but it doesn't say dough. 8, 9, 10, 11. 310. Well, that's what it says in the book. Time 310. So I guess that's right. So I'm going to hit start. And I just hit start. I don't hear anything. Okay, it says heat. That's all it says on there. Well, I'll bring you back. It should be starting. But like I said, I'm all new to this, but I did what it said. It said start right there. And now I'm just gonna wait for it to start. I'll bring you back. Okay, you can see it's moved to 309. It's just doing something but making no noise, but it's counting down. So I'll bring you back as we continue. It's very quiet. It started on 310. Now it's on 309. It's very, very quiet. It says, it's got a little arrow that way that says heat. So maybe it's heating it up. We shall see. I'll bring you back when it's done. Okay, folks, can you hear that? It's going, it's doing something. Let me see if I can get you in the window part. A little bit. See the dough moving? So it went to 305 and then started. Okay, we'll see what's going to happen. I will bring you back. Okay, can you hear the difference at 301? There she goes. Right there. Okay, well on its way. We'll see you when the dough's done. Okay guys, sad news. We lost our power for 2 hours. So the bread machine got that far. We went for a ride because my phone was going dead. So I came home, put it on for a few more minutes, but I'm gonna take it out now and rise it because it's getting late and I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. What else can happen today? Okay folks, here's the dough right here. It looks good. Poked my finger in it. I can just use my fingers. I'm not supposed to be using my arm. It's supposed to be tucked right in. I put a little bit of flour on here. Just gonna try to burp any air that may be in it. I shouldn't be doing that. That hurts. I have a pan here, and I will put the size in the description box below because it's not right at my hands right now that I'm going to be using. I think it's a 12 by 5. Yes, 12 by 5. I know it is. I got the pan at IKEA. So I think I don't hear any more air in here. I'm burping it. Roll it up. I need a little more flour. Oh, I don't, right here. Need a little more flour. Just like this. Sorry guys, it's hurting my arm a little. I'm doing the best I can. See if I can rock it back a little and get some flour on this. I also sprayed the pan and put a little bit of flour in the pan. And here's the pan right here. This is my favorite pan. Just gonna tuck the ends in a little bit, just like this. plop it in the pan. There you have it. I'm going to take some Stretch Tight. That's my favorite. Just like this. Then I'm going to spray it. Then I'm going to, oh, I don't know if I can rip it. Ray, I can't rip this. Oh, wait, I got it. I got it. Thank you, Mr. R's home. That's okay. I got it. And I'm going to do that, and I'm going to let it rise. And hopefully it will rise because it's warm in here because we've lost the power. So we had the AC on. It was 86 and very humid today. So there you have it, and I'll bring you back as soon. It's going in the oven as soon as it rises, and I'm going to bake it at 350 for about 35 minutes. We'll see what we got. Okay, this bread is done. It came out really good. If I would have let it rise a little bit more, I would have been happy. But hey, this came out really good for the first loaf in the bread machine. Well, it wasn't baked in the bread machine. It was baked in the oven. But with all the difficulties I had and then losing power, I say it was a win-win. Can't wait to make more. I hope you like this video. And I love my new bread machine. I just got to get used to it. So please give me a thumbs up. Share my videos. And if you haven't hit that bell, please ring a ding ding. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Have faith, have hope, be kind to one another, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.